Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in the Khan Academy app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, let's open the Khan Academy app. Then, in the home menu, you tap on the settings, and you scroll down, and at the bottom you find the delete account button. You tap on that, and it opens the Khan Academy webpage. Then, if you decided that you want to delete your account and you don't want to use the Khan Academy services any further, then you tap on the delete your account button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.